Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all. I'm Akhil and I'll be your host for this exciting internship program by Nextera Unitech. Right. So at Nextera Unitech, we are committed to empowering learners like you with industry relevant skills in data analytics, data science, and artificial intelligence. Over the next few weeks, you will gain hands on experience, work on real world projects, and build expertise in cutting edge technologies. So this is not just an internship. It's a gateway to a rewarding career in AI and data science. So stay engaged, ask questions at the last, and make most of this learning journey. Once again, welcome all. Let's get started. So as part of this program, you know, we'll start with the introduction to our company, our organization, Nextera Unitech. Okay, so what is our mission and what are our values? We'll understand first, followed by what exactly is internship, because this is the question just majority of us has. So I'll answer the question, what exactly is internship and how are we going to get benefited by end of this program. Then the phases of internship, understanding each and every phase one by one, as well as projects. Okay, so what projects are you going to do, how would be the journey, okay, how you are going to apply them on the real world use cases, we'll understand. And finally, certification. Okay, is everyone going to get a certificate or not? So we'll understand. And the career opportunities, what kind of opportunities you'll have once if you're done with this program internship. Okay, so let us understand all these slow and steady, you know one by one. And friends, if you have any kind of questions, make sure that you make all a list of them and shoot all your questions at the last. Right. So initially we have to understand, our organization. What is Next Era Unitech? Next Era Unitech is an organization. It's an edutech where we train students on comprehensive sessions like data analytics, data science, AI, full stack, IoT, cybersecurity, and more. So all of these courses we are going to launch soon. I'll talk about the courses which we are going to launch in the coming few days. So we, being an edutech, you know, we are going to train students on different cutting edge technologies. So our aim is to train multiple students, get them benefited by end of these sessions. And we also come up with real world applications. We have designed a industry focused curriculum. We have a well designed curriculum which exactly matches the real world you know problems, as well as hands on learning will be there. Okay, we focus on hands on learning as well. Each and every topic that you learn as part of the course, we'll ensure that hands on learning is must and should. We also conduct free internship programs. Okay, so make a uh, majority of the students, the ongoing students, you know, whoever is getting graduated or who have completed the graduation, moreover, whoever is free, who are looking out for jobs, these folks, they can now start these free internship programs. They can benefit by end of these programs. So this is the main motto of Nextera Unitech. Then now I'll come back. We'll talk about internship. So what do you understand by internship? the general question, because wherever you heard this term internship, is that company really offering us an internship or not? First of all, we have to have a clear understanding of the word internship. What exactly is internship? What do you mean by internship? If any one of you ask me the question, I'll tell you that is a internships are the stepping stones to a successful career. Through this program, you will experience how data-driven technologies are used in real-world scenarios. So you'll get real-world experience. But are you a permanent employee? No. No, you're going to get an experience. You're going to achieve an experience that you're going to get in real time. Then, how to enhance your problem solving can be achieved through this program, can be achieved via internship. Then, projects, even though if you are from different domains, irrespective of the domain, okay, if you are from engineering background, if you are from a normal degree, okay, arts, commerce, whatever it might be, you will be a perfect person to fit for this internship. The main reason is, we are going to learn, then you know work on a project. So all of us will have an opportunity to work on projects. Okay, so each and every batch, they'll be ensuring will be ensuring that every one of us will work on project, right? And also we can add some network to our portfolio. So this particular program is going to benefit you in all these particular 4 sessions, right? I hope you got some understanding exactly with respect to the word internship. Good. Then, Akhil, probably we are good at this internship. Whatever you have explained so far is very clear. But how this internship that you are going to offer us will be helpful as part of a career? If the question raises in your mind, you know, you just go through this step by step. Our internship has different phases. It's not directly any one of us is going to jump and do a project. No. Initially, we'll have an orientation session. So, friends, this is just a demo session. Again, we'll have an orientation session regarding the tools and what we are expecting from you. Okay. So, an orientation session will be conducted initially. Then, the learning phase starts. All of us will start learning. Okay. All of us will start learning the concepts one by one. Okay. Whatever the core concepts that are expected from you, you will have to learn. There is no other alternative. Next to learning phase, as part of this learning phase, you'll have continuous mentorship. By whom? By our experts. Our experts will mentor you throughout this learning phase as well as your project phase. Once if your concepts are good, why don't you apply your concepts on the project? That comes finally. So the final phase will be hands-on project. As part of the project, we will be assisting you throughout your journey. Okay, so whatever we have learned as part of the learning phase will be applied on a project, and we will be completing a project. A capstone project will be completed end to end, right? So this together, all the 4 phases will completely talk about our internship. And majority of us will have the question, what, how many days is this internship is going to be there, right? So we have structured this internship to ensure that by the end, you're not just learning but gaining hands-on experience with industry applications. Okay, see, all the details of the internship were being presented here. We'll understand each and every point. We'll focus and understand. The first phase, as we have discussed, after orientation, it will be learning phase. So, Akhil, what exactly, if I grab this opportunity of internship, what am I going to learn? So, you will be trained for 30 days, my friend. For 30 days, you will be trained on what? On what concepts? Python, EDA, exploratory data analysis, then data cleaning. It's nothing but data cleansing. All the topics that are used to clean the data, SQL, structured query language, then Power BI. Okay, so on all these topics, we are going to learn for the next 30 days once if you are part of this program. So, again, the question comes, Akhil, within a day, should I learn Python, EDA, data cleansing, SQL, Power BI? No, no. On every day, you will be trained on two topics. In the sense, for example, on day one, if I start with Python, okay, so you will start your journey with Python. Okay, 1 hour session will be posted in your group, so you're supposed to go through that. Okay, you have to learn the topic, and immediately you will have assignment on the same day. Better, I'll talk about this particular thing at the last. Okay, so I hope whatever the topics that you're going to understand, whatever you're going to learn is clear as part of the learning phase. Post 30 days, what are we going to do? For the next 15 days after learning phase, we will be working on a project. Together, all of us will be working on a project. Okay. For 15 days, I'll be assisting you to complete an end-to-end project. An end-to-end project will be done by all of us, by my assistants. Okay. So total it's 45 days, my friends. This internship lasts for 45 days. Out of 45, 30 days will be utilized for learning journey and 15 days will be utilized for project phase. Then, the question comes, okay, how are we going to learn? If I would be the part of this, if I grab this opportunity, how am I going to learn these concepts? On daily basis, you will be learned on at least two topics out of these five. For suppose, on day one, okay, might be we may start with Python and SQL. So for 1 hour, you should learn Python, and for 1 hour, you should learn SQL. To ensure that you are learning these concepts, we are going to provide assessments. On daily basis, we'll be providing the assignments. Okay, so you are supposed to submit them by EOD. This will ensure that you are actually learning or not. Okay, why someone should learn these topics? If you don't learn these topics, how you are going to do this project, my friend? So hold on, think. So we ensure that each and everyone should learn and should be part of our project, right? So that is the reason everyone have to complete these assignments on the same day as well. Fine. So per day, 2 hours. Anyhow, we are ready to invest our time, and probably we'll complete each and every topic. All the 5 topics we'll learn, and we'll be ready to do this project. Perfect. Then every week we'll have doubt clarification sessions or interactive sessions. We'll have some kind of interactions. Again, for how many hours? Okay, it's for 2 hours. every week. Okay, so probably if I say on Friday, okay, so this week let us have an interactive session on Friday. The timings will be communicated to you earlier. Okay, so prior the timings will be communicated, and you guys have to join this call to ensure that you are actually learning or not. So I'll be checking you, I'll be interacting with you. If you have any kind of doubts, or if you have any kind of issues, problems, everything I'm going to assist as part of this doubt clarification sessions. So so far the details that whatever we have understood, it's really great, because we are going to learn 5 different new concepts, new topics, then a project we are going to do, and on each and every topic we are going to do assignments, as well as all our questions, queries, doubts are sorted. They're getting resolved. Fine. But the majority of us will have a question. What is the fee? What is the fee for this internship? My friend, it's completely free. You need not pay even a single penny from your pocket. Not even we are going to charge 1 rupee. Okay? It's completely free, but utilize this opportunity to ensure that you have actually completed this internship. You are finally going to get rewarded with a certificate. Finally, you will be certified with a free industry recognized certification. Again, the question, Akhil, will all say, for example, 10 students have joined this particular internship. Will all these 10 students get certification? No, my friend. No. You know, all the 10 should follow this journey without any disturbances. You have to learn, you have to be part of project, you have to work on the assignments, you have to join the doubt clarification session. If you are, you know, not violating any of these steps, and if you are, working hard, and if you have given the right result at the end of the day, you'll be you'll be given with the certificate. But if you have violated anywhere, so upfront, yes, in some cases we'll accept, but in majority of the cases we don't. Why? See, friend, my particular internship program is free. Are we charging anything? No. Why don't you use this free opportunity, in a right way? Until unless if you have any emergency, let us know prior. If you don't have any emergency, why you are violating this system? The question comes. So utilize this in a right way and get the certificate. Okay, if you are doing in a right way, and if you are providing the documents, if you are completing, if you are sharing your documents at the end of the day, yes, you'll get the certificate. No one is going to stop you. Okay, right. I hope it's clear. Then as I have promised, your learning will be rewarded. This certificate will validate your knowledge and make you stand out in job applications. Isn't it? Yes. There is a lot of demand for data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence. I'm not lying. If you want to do any kind of research, open a browser and go and see how is the demand for these three technologies in the real time. There is a lot of demand, and if you complete this particular internship, and if you get certified, you know it adds a lot of credibility to your resume as well as your profile. So once if you have achieved the certificate, why don't you keep it in your LinkedIn? Add it to your LinkedIn, tag next era Unitech. Okay, so in this way you can stand out of the box. Okay, and moreover, it showcases some kind of experience. Why? Because you have completed an internship, my friend, and internship was being done by you. Okay, so let us not misuse this opportunity. We use it in a right way, and finally, the career opportunities. This internship will open doors to career opportunities in data science and AI, and moreover, companies are actively hiring professionals with these skills. Are you aware of it? Yes. So just go and check, open a browser, see what are the skills that are mandatory for data science, data analytics. You know, whatever we have discussed earlier will be the primary skills, and you can find n number of opportunities in the market once if you are done with this internship. So upon the internship, apply for the relevant roles: data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer, ML engineer. There are n number of opportunities in the real world, right? So you'll be ready for these opportunities once if you're done with this program, and you'll have a lot of industry demand. Moreover, you know, these particular roles, whatever I have discussed just before, it might be a data analyst, a data scientist, or an AI engineer. These folks, they are not restricted to one particular domain, my friends. Whatever domain you take, in all the domains you have these folks. Okay, these roles will not be restricted to one IT domain. No, that is just a myth. You will have it in life sciences, healthcare. You will have it in manufacturing. You will have it in banking, finance. You know, n number of domains. Whatever domain you take, you'll have these people. So, in short, you're being ready for. You'll have a lot of demand in the coming few days. Okay, and moreover, you can build your connections. That's what I have discussed earlier as part of internship. Your network grows once if you are done with this particular internship. So don't misuse this opportunity. Time again, I would tell the same thing. The main reason is, we are providing, Next Era Unitech is providing this internship free. Okay, so you need not pay even a single rupee from your pocket. Just utilize, grab this opportunity. That's it. So are you ready to start your career? What you are waiting for? Come and join Next Era Unitech, friends. Gain the skills, and moreover, the real-time experience, whatever is needed, you can get once if you are part of this program. So this is again a golden opportunity to master data analytics, data science, and AI, and a kickstart for a rewarding career. Right? So this is what this particular demo session includes. I'm done from my side. Okay, I'll take up your questions before I wind up. So friends, you know, questions. How to submit the assignment? So friends, I told you, right? We have an orientation session. In the orientation session, I'll discuss everything, each and every point we'll understand. Okay, that's not an issue. How to submit the assignment, what you're supposed to do, from where you're going to get the assignment. Okay, how, in which format, everything, each and every point I'll communicate. Good. Any other questions with respect to the internship that you're going to start from the next? Okay, so we'll be connecting in a Zoom. Okay, in the coming week probably. So in that particular Zoom session, we'll discuss each and every point, and we'll be discussing. You know, we'll be prior sharing the timings as well. So be active in the group. Yes, everything you'll get it in the WhatsApp. Okay, so within the WhatsApp community that you are part of. Yes, each and every details will be shared in that particular group. So friends, if you have not completed the registration, do complete the registration as well. And moreover, on the coming you know Monday, that is the next Monday, we are going to start 30 days free short term training, that is related to machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, Gen AI. So complete your registration as part of those sessions as well. So I'll be sharing the registration link in the chat. Using the registration link, complete your registration. Be part of that particular program as well. Because you know, in order to be or in order to work as an AI engineer or ML engineer, you should start learning these algorithms. Yes. So here is the link that was provided for 30 days free short term training that we are going to start in the next week. Then in the coming week, we are going to launch our paid courses. Those are completely online. Okay, and even for this paid courses, we have registration link. Do complete your registration as well. Okay, so the registration link has been provided in the chat. Yes, so complete your registration for the paid courses as well, because for the month of March we are going to offer 50% discount. Utilize it. Okay, uh, we'll actually plan a demo for the paid courses as well. Do part of it. Yes. Any questions with respect to internship? What kind of uh, you know project that you're going to do with respect to project and all. We'll be understanding as part of project phase anyways. Okay, moreover, again I will talk same points in the coming orientation session as well. What you're supposed to do, how you are going to do. Okay, so how you are going to learn as part of this 30 days, everything we will be understanding, right? Anything else to be addressed? Questions? No questions? Right, I assume no questions. So that's all for this particular session. So be active in the community, friends. We will be sharing the important information in the group. Okay, so be active. Even though if you fail to read any of the messages, go back and read them, because we'll be starting this particular batch one in the next week. In the coming week, we're going to commence this batch one internship. Fine. So that's all for the day. Again, we'll meet in the coming session. Until then, take care. Have a great day. Signing off. Bye.